I've been hands-on with ActiveCampaign's CRM platform throughout 2025, and if you're looking for a CRM that's smart, automation-heavy, and email marketing first and doesn't mess up your budget, you've likely seen hype around it. With its AI chat agent, intuitive pipelines, and robust automations galore, I jumped in curious. But after real-world use, did it stay slick and powerful or get tangled in its own feature web? Let's break it down. ActiveCampaign blends email marketing, automation, CRM, and SMS into one platform. It positions itself as a growth engine for small to mid-sized teams, offering everything from lead scoring and multi-channel campaigns to AI-enhanced workflows, all under one roof. What follows is a breakdown of its core experience, pricing structure, where it excels, where it doesn't, and who it's really meant for. What stands out is ActiveCampaign's automation builder. It's flexible and powerful. The drag-and-drop flow system lets you trigger sequences based on contact behaviors, opening emails, visiting pages, or filling forms. Add conditional content, lead scoring, and email personalization, and you've got a marketing machine that feels custom-built. The CRM side isn't an afterthought either. You can create custom pipelines, assign tasks, and get deal notifications embedded right into your campaigns. Email, chat, SMS, and even forms are woven into the mix, so everything is routed through a central workflow. Another high point is its AI and advanced segmentation, especially in Plus and Pro tiers. Predictive sending, site tracking, and multi-step automation make nurturing more seamless. Plus, robust integrations via Zapier and e-commerce tools like Shopify keep the tool connected to your stack. Pricing starts at around $19 per month for the starter plan, 1,000 contacts, basic automation, and email campaigns. The Plus plan bumps you into advanced automation, AI features, landing pages, and basic CRM for roughly $59 per month. Pro brings in conditional logic, attribution tracking, and multi-channel messaging at about $99 per month. And Enterprise opens everything up, custom objects, SSO, advanced reporting, starting near $179 per month. Pricing scales fast with your contact list, and add-ons like SMS or enhanced CRM roll upwards from there. What users appreciate: ActiveCampaign shines where automation meets outreach. People love its segmenting power, multi-channel reach, and how the email builder lets you target smarter. Users praise its advanced logic capabilities, and CRM integration as a rare win in this price range. The built-in reporting and automation library also make it feel like a marketer's dream once you've learned the interface. The possibilities feel endless. What can feel frustrating? That same depth is where it can trip you up, though. The learning curve isn't small. Creating complex flows can get confusing. Email templates sometimes feel rigid, and performance can lag with heavy lists. Price jumps are real, especially if your contact base grows or you activate add-ons. And while the CRM is solid, it still feels secondary to the email automation core. ActiveCampaign is a compelling choice if you need smart automation, multi-channel outreach, and a CRM that keeps pace with marketing needs. It delivers serious capability, just be ready to invest in learning and budget for scaling. If your core focus is ease and email basics, something simpler and cheaper might serve you better. But if automation and strategy are priorities, AC is a powerful ally. ActiveCampaign offers a robust automation-powered CRM for teams ready to do more, but it asks you to pay, learn, and grow with it. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the hardest part about your current CRM setup. I'll help you untangle it in the next one.